Hi teacher, so today I'm going to show you the process of my car rental application. So when you enter the app, basically you'll see the car rental options available, and you can see the ratings, prices and all that. And if you want to favorite your car, you can see it in the view favorite list, where it actually filters out the specific car that you favorited at. And then if you filter out like year or even price, then you will see that it will actually go according to cheapest to highest for price, and for other filters it will go as accordingly. But then if you actually want to start renting the car, for instance this car right here, then you can actually see the car prices will be notified on your actual account amount. So if it's too much than the amount that you have, it will not allow you to book the car. And after you confirm the booking, you will be able to see your history that they actually booked the car. And if you want to cancel the booking, you can do that. And if you want to continue the booking, and you can just proceed with it. But then if after you're done with the rental car, you can rate the experience of the car that you had with like a star, but there's no comments available. So afterwards, when you try to see the car again, you actually scale according to the rating of the previous people that rent the car. So it will actually be much more on an average basis. So there is such functions in dark mode for the car, but then it can be for any car. Like if you search any keywords that are very similar, it will just show you. And this is my app.